Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. We're going to talk on this cloudy day about various things, and I wanted to just give you a little background. We moved to Lake Erie roughly 2 years ago, and I fished all my life. But when we got a boat and I started fishing on the lake, didn't really catch very much. So what that led to was a 18-month to 2-year learning process about how to fish on Lake Erie. Now, the problem with this is it has to do with a lot of different variables. So your gear, your boat, and specifically some techniques that I'm going to talk about on the channel. And it's very different than fishing for various species on rivers, lakes, in a kayak. I'm used to growing up in Pennsylvania fishing in streams. We lived in New England. I fished on a lot of ponds and small lakes. Very, very different when you get to a lake like Lake Erie. And so what I'm going to talk about specifically that you probably haven't seen on YouTube or any of the channels before is a little bit finer detail. And once we get into that, hopefully you'll learn something like I did and start putting more fish in the boat.